Meet the Tibetan Mastiff, the lion of the dog world. This majestic breed hails from the snowy peaks of the Himalayas and is one of the oldest dog breeds in the world. With their thick double coats, they're like walking woolly mammoths and the best winter companion. They can weigh up to 80 kilograms, making them one of the largest dog breeds in the world. However, despite their intimidating size, Tibetan Mastiffs can make great pets. They are known for their independent and protective nature, which makes them great watchdogs and loyal companions for families with children. Although it's also important to note that they can be stubborn and strong-willed.